Hey guys, welcome back to the Existential Vegan. X here. Hope you had a great holiday season. Time to get back to work. Odds are you make and drink smoothies every day. I know I do. We all have our favorite healthy ingredients to put in, and let's face it, you can't go wrong by adding just about any fruit or vegetable. But there's an old vegan adage that goes, eat your fruits and drink your vegetables. Meaning, fruits generally taste good and are easy to eat, whereas a pound of kale, not so much. My smoothies tend to be green smoothies, but whatever your favorite smoothie is, I would suggest adding these two superfoods, flax seeds and broccoli sprouts. Omega-3 fatty acids are such an important part of the human diet. Since vegans abstain from eating fish for health reasons, contamination, etc., and more importantly, ethical reasons, we are at risk for omega-3 deficiencies. Luckily, flax seeds are the most concentrated form of omega-3s on the planet. Flaxseed is a rich source of ALA, which the body converts to EPA and DHA. This conversion is considered inefficient. Yet, it turns out that 2 tablespoons of flaxseed a day is enough. If in doubt, by all means supplement with an algae-based source of EPA and DHA. Omega-3 fatty acids block inflammation and the formation of blood clots in the arteries. When buying flaxseed, make sure you buy it ground. Otherwise, you'll just be pooping it out undigested. You can grind it yourself using various methods. Another superfood for your smoothie, broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts contain 50 times the sulforaphane as regular broccoli florets, and a quick Google search reveals study after study showing sulforaphane's ability to prevent cancer and also fight and reverse all types of cancers at all stages. Sulforaphane also targets cancer at the cellular and genetic level. Broccoli sprouts are inexpensive to buy. Here's a box I bought for $2. They are even cheaper to grow at home. Using a mason jar and a sprout lid, you can grow your own for pennies. Here's a pic of some I grew myself. So there you go, guys. A smoothie of your choice. 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and a handful of broccoli sprouts, and you're set to go. You may want to check out my other how-to superfood vids. Have a great week, guys, and I'll see you soon.